Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to edit content in a rich text module in Hubspot. Keeping your content clear and up to date is key, and Hubspot makes it easy. Start by opening your browser and going to the Hubspot homepage. Click the login button at the top right and enter your credentials to access your account. Once logged in, head to the Marketing tab in the main navigation bar, then click on Email to go to your email management area. Find the email you want to edit and click the Edit button. Inside the editor, locate the text block you want to update and click on it. This opens the rich text editor, where you can make changes, adjust fonts, add links, or even insert images. Take advantage of these tools to keep your content dynamic and engaging. Before finishing, make sure to preview your changes to see how they'll appear to your audience. And that's it. You've successfully edited text in HubSpot's rich text module.